tvq-pb-101, How to fix tvq-pb-101, 5.3, error on Netflix. The Netflix error code tvq-pb-101, 5.3, typically indicates a problem with data stored on your device that prevents Netflix from playing content. To resolve this issue, please follow these troubleshooting steps. 1. Restart your device *, turn off your device completely, ensuring it's not in sleep or standby mode. Unplug the device from the power source. Wait for at least 15 seconds. Plug the device back in and power it on. Try accessing Netflix again. 2. Restart your home network *, turn off or unplug your streaming device or smart TV. Unplug your modem and router from power for about 30 seconds. Plug in your modem and wait until all indicator lights are stable. If you have a separate router, plug it in and wait until it's fully operational. Turn on your streaming device or smart TV. Try accessing Netflix again. 3. Sign out and sign back into Netflix *. Navigate to the Netflix home screen. Open the menu by pressing the left button on your remote. Select Get Help or Settings. Choose Sign Out and confirm. After signing out, sign back in and attempt to stream content. 4. Check for device firmware or software updates *. Ensure your streaming device or smart TV has the latest firmware or software updates installed. Refer to your device's user manual or support website for instructions on updating. 5. Reinstall the Netflix app *. Uninstall the Netflix app from your device. Restart your device. Reinstall the Netflix app from your device's app store. Sign in and try streaming again. 6. Adjust audio output settings *. Some users have reported that changing the audio output settings can resolve this error. Navigate to your device's audio settings. Change the audio output from auto to TV speakers or another available option. Return to Netflix and attempt to play content. If the problem persists after trying these steps, consider contacting your device's manufacturer or Netflix support for further assistance.